What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. Yeah, today started off a bit not so great for us this morning. We are at MOKOLO Dam for the EBASS leg 6. Having motor issues. We've borrowed a boat because Zaid's boat's getting built, his new boat. So he sold the old one, and we've borrowed it, and thanks to Umar at Solly's for loaning us the boat. The motor, can't get it started. It was like a fuel leak on the, something's not right, and so now the battery's dead and the motor won't start. But we've got trawling power, so we will cruise around the mouth of the dam here at the launch. We don't know the dam, I've never been here. We were hoping to explore, but looks like we are stuck in one area, which is a pity. But let's see how it goes. Enjoy.
Three hours later.
Crazy, man. Keeper. Definitely a keeper. That has to be 37 minutes.
Yeah, this is definitely. I like when they paddle the air.
Definitely will upgrade that other one. Whoa. Nice. Okay. Well done. Tough day for us on the water, guys. Coming to weigh fish, taking the boat off, and we'll go weigh the fish. But I already saw 1 or 2 guys weighing in some good fish, so yeah, not gonna be good. See you now. Huge bag, eh?
Okay. Because when you hit there, it's going to slam that thing into the top here.
Yeah.
And at that point, I'm going to be breathing in. Okay, ready? 1, 3. Okay, so you're going to count.
Yeah.
Oh, hold on, let me breathe out first. Okay.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Crazy start and a pretty decent ending to this video. As you saw in the video, we had boat issues. Thanks to Solly's for borrowing us the boat. First of all, it wasn't anything major. I think the road down to MOKOLO was really rough, so the fuel pipe in the motor like shook off, and then the crimp clamp was just, yeah, it was stuffed. So we had to find a cable tie, and thanks to the guys at the EBASS stand for helping us out with some cable ties. And we got back on the water, started fishing it properly from about 11 only, but found a couple of fish and managed 9th place, so pretty chuffed with that. Big shout out to all our sponsors. They always keep us on the water, can never forget about them. But anyhow, hope you guys enjoyed that video. Hit that thumbs up if you liked it, and catch you on the next video.